My name is Mateo. I work here at the Vaughan location. I'm an account executive for CAS, and welcome back to 1 Minute Appliance Info Reviews. Today I'll be talking about the GUD37EEMNDG. Here with me today in the visual representation, I have a very similar model in a white color and 24-inch width. This unit comes with a very large capacity 6 cubic foot electric dryer, a 4.5 cubic foot washer, 800 RPM spin speed in the washer, and 11 wash cycles for tons of customizability. This model is also in a diamond gray color. This model is also backed up by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, which I can extend for up to 5 years for you. If you have any questions about the products we've showcased or any others you may see, feel free to give me a call at my extension 431 at any CAS national toll-free line, or go into our website at www.canadianappliance.ca. On the bottom right-hand corner of your window, click Start a Chat and ask for Mateo N.